I think I was expecting this to give me the results of a really inexpensive drugstore shampoo and conditioner, but to be honest, what's up, it's Hair LaFay. Welcome to my channel. So this is going to be a super quick, really informal video. I just want to show y'all these products that I got from Bath & Body Works. Shampoo and conditioner, not sponsored. They had a sale last week where all their body care was $4.95. So I was like, I want to try the shampoo and conditioner. So one of the scents that I really like is called Into the Night. So the fragrance notes are raspberry, amber crystals, velvety rose petals, creamy patchouli, and mocha musk. I feel like this is the smell you put on if you're going on a date, but for me, I wear this in the daytime. It does smell pretty much just like the lotion in the body mist, but it also smells like a shampoo and conditioner, if that makes sense. So like the fragrance notes are potent, but you can still smell that there's like soaps in the shampoo. So the products are made with vitamin B5, aloe, and vitamin E. So it's supposed to help with moisturizing the hair. And the shampoo says it gently cleanses and hydrates the hair to restore softness and shine. So we're gonna test these. I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion about it. I have to wash my hair tonight for a shoot tomorrow. My hair is just hanging on as best as it can with all these shoots and how much manipulation it has to go through. All right, let's start with the shampoo. So I started off by rinsing my hair first with warm water, and then I got about 2/4 size amounts of the shampoo and focused on getting my scalp nice and cleansed. I washed my hair for probably like a good 5 minutes, and then I rinsed it out with warm water. I felt like I wanted to wash my hair just one more time because I usually wash my hair twice, and I felt like it didn't really strip my hair that much, which was good. But I will say the second time around when I washed my hair, I did another like 2/4 size amount, and my hair got like really squeaky clean, a little bit too clean for my liking. It kind of felt like if I had used soap to wash my hair. I will say if you want to clarify your hair, then wash your hair twice with the shampoo because it does a great job of stripping everything out. But if you don't want your hair stripped, washing it once I felt like was honestly good enough. I still felt like my hair was pretty clean after the first wash. This is my curls after the shampoo. My hair felt super clean and my curls are really defined. Okay, for conditioner, I'm gonna start off with this amount. It feels really creamy. I actually really like the consistency of the conditioner. To be honest, I was not expecting it to feel this thick, but I really like that it's not thinned out. As I'm putting it on my hair, it smells so good. I love this scent. I'm really happy they came out with shampoos and conditioners because I like to overdo it with perfumes and stuff, so now I can have my hair matching my body scent. Once I coat my hair pretty good, it's really easy for me to comb right through. And this actually smells just as strong as the lotion and the body wash and stuff. And here's my hair coated with the conditioner. I let it sit in my head for 30 minutes and then I rinsed it out, and my hair felt pretty moisturized and my curls were still nice and defined. After I flat ironed it, I had a really pretty shine and it had a lot of movement, and of course it smelled amazing. It's actually day 2 since I washed my hair. The past 2 days I was shooting a campaign, so I just got home and this is the hair that I got. But I wanted to give you guys my final review on the Bath & Body Works shampoo and conditioner. So to be honest, it exceeded my expectations. I think I was expecting this to give me the results of a really inexpensive drugstore shampoo and conditioner, but it left my hair pretty moisturized. And it's day 2. My hair has been heat styled yesterday and today, and I still have a little bit of a faint smell from the scent, so it lasts pretty long. And then when I did finish straightening my hair the first day, it wasn't like the scent was overbearing or too strong. It was just like perfect. I don't think this is something I'm going to use every single time I'm going to do wash day, but I'm definitely going to incorporate it at least once a month. I think it's perfect if I'm going out or if I really want my hair fragrance to match my body fragrance. If you know me personally, you know I am obsessed with fragrances. Like, it's my love language. But to me, it's definitely quite a few steps above your drugstore inexpensive shampoo and conditioners because of how moisturizing it left my hair feeling, especially with it having all the fragrance. I ended up catching these 2 on sale, and for me, after trying it, I personally would actually pay full price to have it. But when they do go on sale again, I'm definitely going to try another fragrance I'm curious to know if you'd be willing to try the shampoo and conditioner from Bath & Body Works. If so, if not, leave it in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until the next one, ciao.